This is the moment na inaantay natin, no? Dumating na ang K70 Pro natin and K70E. So both of these device nandito na sa ating kamay. And i-unbox natin right now. Papakita ko sa inyo ang unboxing experience dito sa phone na ito. And both box looks exactly the same and both are being powered by Xiaomi HyperOS version 1.0. Tara, simulan natin. So after unboxing tong dalawang device, I would say na, mukhang identical sila, no? So it's hard for me to say na at first glance, no, kung which is which. But you can see, pag nilapitan mo siya, makita mo yung nakaprint dito. May 2x optical nakasulat dito sa K70 Pro. Samantala dito sa K70E, nakasulat dito is AI camera. And makita mo dito sa kanang side, this one is made out of plastic frame and this, si Pro, made out of aluminum metal frame. Makita mo may mga antenna bands siya dito on the sides. Pag finil mo ang phone, this one, si Pro seems a little bit heavier as compared dito sa E. And on chinek ko official weight, this one is 209 grams, this one is 198 grams. Both screen is 6.67 na OLED display, but si Pro naman is 4,000 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. This one is 1,800 nits. Now, of course, ang kanyang processor is different. Si K70 Pro has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, samantala si K70E has the Dimensity 8300 dito sa loob. And of course, pagdating naman sa score, malayong-malayo. 1.3 million kay K70E, samantala dito kay Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 na K70 Pro, it was able to score a 1.8 million points. Now, quickly watching some videos dito sa K70 Pro and K70E, both has really good display. It's hard to differentiate though, even though the higher ang nits ni K70E, even the higher nits ang K70 Pro, I would hardly tell yung kanina difference while watching videos or just scrolling lang sa mga shorts. But what I know is that malaki ang display nilang pareho. Now, taking some quick snap, ito ang mga nakuha ko kay K70E. I would say na okay naman mga shots na, no? It's pretty good naman. But if you take it side by side naman, pagdating kay K70 Pro, you would see really the difference ang kanyang camera, no? Yung sheer difference niya pagdating sa details. Mas richer ang details na makukuha mo kay K70 Pro by no doubt. And of course, pagdating naman sa selfie camera, mas maganda rin talaga ang capture ng K70 Pro as compared kay K70E. But it doesn't mean na pangit si K70E. Now guys, this is just a first impression nitong dalawang phone na ito, si K70 Pro and K70E. I bought this, pwede nyo mabili ito phone na ito sa Shandy Masangkay, and I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And do subscribe sa aking channel guys para sa full review nitong dalawang phone na ito. And itong E na ito probably might be the Poco X6 Pro for next year. So ayan guys, kung nagustuhan nito video ito, don't forget to share to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be appreciated. And I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.